Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we're playing Car Crushers 2 with Car Crusher 160. His username is lovleytomboy6, so subscribe to his channel. He has a YouTube channel right now. He has 4 subs, but that's not enough subs. Let's hope that he gets more subs to become famous. I'm surviving according to Savanta. Oh, he has a... Why does he have a Grand Theft Auto online car? Is that even possible that he used that feature? That is extremely impossible to use. Oh yeah, so we're going to be... Oh, so we're going to be activated in 2 minutes? Wait, how many minutes? We have 2 minutes. So we have 2 minutes. So energy core, I'm going to... I have extra colors on my SUV. This I have extra colors. Which color should I use? I'm confused. Let's find out. Ooh, this car is like, this color is cool. I'm gonna use that. The horn is very normal. Oh, YMP 2024, join me. All right. Yeah, so we're going to play Car Crushers 2 and escape this energy core with lovleytomboy6. So let's begin the video. What the hell? He has a rocket boost platinum? That's so nice. Okay, here we come.
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately.
Well, is trying to... Stunt park, let's go to the stunt park. It's in the stunt park. We're going to the stunt park. Oh, it's again, this again. Is that even possible? Am I gonna make it in time? I don't think I will make it in time. It's so impossible to do this. Alright. Going to the chopper, but I'm not gonna fail again. Okay, is this even possible to make it? Oh yes, that's so possible. That is so possible. This is a possible way how to make this thing to the chopper. Where's level 2? Oh, he has... Come on, let's go. Not gonna make it. Oh no! Oh my god, he made it. Let's go. Oh my god.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. That was so close. Wow, we did it, guys. This is how we survived the energy core on Car Crusher 2. So this is all I have to say. Well, oh yeah, subscribe to YMP 2024. This is a bro's dressed up as a tomboy.